Hey people of YouTube, we are back today. Spring has sprung here in sunny Charleston, South Carolina. I'm Nate with Paradise RV. We got my man Joe behind the camera today. And since spring has sprung, we got new floor plans. This one is from SolAire, 2023, 306, rear kitchen triple slide. So that's RKTS. Anyway, come along and we will go through it. So SolAire hasn't changed much on the front. It's just the inside floor plan that's changed a lot. This has replaced the 304. So we'll go over some of the cool features that are new and some that are existing. Most of everything you see out here is existing. You got your dual propane tanks. You got your front jack with the light and automatic up and down, or just push button. It's not really automatic. Over here you got your same classic wet bay that comes on all the SolAires. So you know, you set your settings to what you need: dry camping, power fill, city water, sanitize, and winterize. And then pretty simple. And then right here you got your back flush system. Right here is where you plug in your water. You also have your battery disconnect here and a light for the front little party strip. So, and an outdoor shower. So pretty straightforward. Really like it. It's all very compact.
Easy to use.
I like the way they use it. In classic SolAire style, they have this front cargo. This one's really nice. You can actually fit it with a washer and dryer that you can get from the inside. But if you don't plan to use a washer or dryer, you can also use this just for camping or for storage. You got a couple outlets there too, which is nice. Moving along, you got a giant slide going on right here. Tucked up underneath that slide is where your dual axles are, and you got your torque flex, which is really nice in classic SolAire style. You also have the lion's mane 5-year lifetime warranty essentially on the tires and the rims. You read through that, or if you contact us, we can let you know more about it. You also have the alpha ply or roofing membrane too, which is just a huge upgrade for your roof. Moving on down, you got your outdoor entertainment. So this is a place where you can put your TV. You can plug in cable or satellite to that TV, and that's the outlet. And then you got some nice speakers with cool little blue LED lights inside of it. One thing I really like that they did that they didn't have on the 304, but they did it for this one, is they put in an outdoor kitchen. Really handy, great to have. It does have the induction cooktop. It already comes with one of the induction pans on the inside, but you got a nice little cutting board prep area, and you got a nice little mini fridge. So you can have your refreshments while you're cooking for the fam. Oh, one thing I forgot to point out, on the front they also have the power stabilizer jacks by Lippert. So there's a set for the front and a set for the back. Moving on back, it is pre-prepped for a backup camera. So this one's through Voyager. And then you got your stove vent, and you got a nice ladder. These ladders are super sturdy. Oh yeah, you got your spare tire, and then it does have, yeah, a 2-inch receiver. So if you wanted to put a bike rack on there, something really lightweight, you can't tow another trailer. We don't recommend it. But yeah, you can put a lightweight bike rack or kayak rack or whatever you want. You got your access for your water heater, nice outside light. That's super standard on all of these. You got your 50-amp plug, and you got plugs for suitcase solar panels. Very convenient. Get you some extra solar power if you're boondocking. You got more storage in here, so they keep adding more storage and more little goodies, which is great. Keep it up, SolAire, or Palomino, should I say. You got your dump station. This one does have 3 valves. Has a gray for the rear kitchen. It has a second gray tank for your bathroom, and then it's got your sewer tank as well. So, yep. Oh yeah. More storage. That was the other storage. I thought there was 3 or 4 of them. So, yep. And it's got the nice carpet. Very, very handy.
It's really nice.
Yeah, right? They think of a lot. SolAire's really great. We love them around here. Cool. Now for the most important part, and the part that everybody wants to see.
Inside.
The inside.
Inside.
So,
dynamite.
I'm gonna pick one of these. But there's plenty of seating. There's a couch there, you got your feeder seating here, and then you got another reclining couch right over there. And then to your left, Mr. Joe, you got your entertainment center. So you got tons of storage on the left and up above. You also have your fireplace, which is also a heat pump. So that does actually blow heat more than just being aesthetics. And then you got a nice 43-inch TV, which is very cool. The color for these is called Mesa, which is really nice. As all Palomino products, they do come out of Michigan. They're not out of Elkhart, and they are Amish built. They have the least amount of warranty issues out of any Forest River product, and we can contest to that. For the year of selling these things, we haven't had a warranty claim on them yet. So the techs love doing the PDIs or the inspections when they get here because, excuse me, they normally don't have a whole lot of work to do. It's mainly checking everything and it works, which is pretty great. So I'll move you to the control panel here really quickly for this particular unit. And these come pretty standard. So you got your 3 slide controls, you got your lights, you got your water pump, your DSI water heater. So it will, right there, it will go off of either gas or electric. You got your awning light and your awning control. And then these are all your sensors. So nice little convenience. Here's the front AC, or the back AC, should I say. On this one, it does have the 15,000 BTU, so it'll get really cold. And then the bedroom, the master bedroom, has a 13.5, which is pretty standard. And that's all you need for that small little room. So let's go back to the kitchen. Kitchen's brilliant, tons of space, tons of storage. You got cabinets underneath, you got 3 drawers here, you got cabinets above. So there is no shortage of storage. Oh, in classic SolAire Palomino style, it does come with the tire sensor or tire pressure monitor system, which is really great to have. Make sure you have the right tire pressure so you don't have any blowouts. Yep, you got USB connectors for charging your phone. You can see your phone right there while you're prepping, doing anything. You also got GFI outlets right here, so blender, toaster, coffee pot, all that good stuff. The dry racks that are underneath the sink, which is a brilliant touch. You got a deep well farm style kitchen. You got your nice sprayer, and it's a nice sprayer.
It's a nice sprayer.
It's a nice sprayer.
It's very
Joseph.
classy.
Yeah, very classy. Yes, sir. So you also have your 3-burner stove with a little oven. I like the touch of the LED, sets lights up. You got your 12-volt refrigerator. This thing gets cold. We've only had this thing open or plugged up for like 10-15 minutes. It might have been a half an hour. I did do photos before this, but you can already see that frost is starting to build on that. Way better than the propane. Propane took like 8 hours forever. And then you also have tons of extra storage. The propanes would come to here. These, you get the full use of the entire refrigerator like you do at your house. And then it comes with, you know, soda or fizzy water or beer holders, whatever your...
I was going to say beer, but...
Yep. Whatever your preference of beverages while you're camping. So, yep. And then you got your microwave.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about this little guy. So, this is a nice add-on too. You got your little dinette here. This does fold into a bed, I believe. Oh, I could be wrong. It might just be a bench. I thought this was trifold. I'll look into that and I'll post it in the video when we get to it. So it does look like it's just a bench, but still, it's really nice extra seating. You can get at least 3 or 4 people back there.
And then you got 6. Go ahead. Sorry to cut you off.
No, you're good. And then this does fold out to be like a full tri-fold bed. So it's a good size. And
it's a Super Bowl party in a trailer. For sure.
Yes, it is 100%. I like that description.
Yeah.
If you peek in there,
That's
you
what
got a
I'm doing.
really good sized bathroom. Got a nice skylight. You can legitimately get, I think 6'6" is how tall you can be to fit in there. So, and then you got a little bench and tons of holders for your soap and stuff. Then, actually right there below you, oh yeah, there's more cabinets. Just tons of storage all over here. And the toilet is, or the commode, or however you want to, whatever you want to call it, whatever your term is for it, it is porcelain. So that means it's sturdy and it's not going to break on you. The plastic ones, you sit down, especially if you're a little bigger, like I was, they feel flimsy, but not the porcelain. Porcelain feels like you're sitting on your throne at home. Right?
Perfect. Yeah.
Absolutely. So we'll come back here to the master bedroom. You got a nice little pocket door, which I love because it's a space saver, especially in campers. Every door should be a pocket door. We really don't always have an option for that, but yeah. Then you got your AC control, your lights. You got a king size bed. It is memory foam, breathable, really nice. And again, you got tons of storage. You got these cool little LED accent lighting. You got a nice giant wardrobe with shoes or whatever you want to put in there. Over here, you got 3 drawers. You can also fit a TV to this wall. It does have the plugs for it on this side with your cable connector and all that. And then again, here's your access to the storage that can fit a washer and dryer if you need it. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers it. Oh, last thing. It does have a legitimate bench, and they actually put USB chargers up underneath there. It always frustrates me because, well, I keep my phone in the other room, but I used to not. My wife keeps her phone here for the white noise, so we keep it plugged in. And normally the USBs or the chargers would be all over the place, and it wouldn't be actually at the bed. And they finally figured it out. They put it on the bed. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Nate. I'm with Paradise RV. You got Mr. Joe in the back. There you go. Nice. Check out all of our inventory on rvparadise.com. You can call us at 843-901-4789, and we'll see you next time.